Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship from AliExpress to your Shopee store. So, just a disclaimer, this tutorial is all about a manual drop shipping. So, as of the moment, this is our only choice. So, we hope that in the near future, Shopify and AliExpress would have its way on how to simply, drop ship the products. Okay, so first is we have to open our AliExpress and then make sure that you have logged in or sign up for an account. Okay, so on the other tab, I have my Shopee as well. So first, let's open our AliExpress. And then right here, just have to log into your account. And as you can see, I am using the same email. Okay, so let's go back here. So after that, we just have to, look for the best product. So I suggest you go to the super deals section. Okay, so just have to click on this one. So we have to, get the products and then do the listing. Okay, so right here, maybe I am going to drop ship this product. Okay, so you just have to look for the best product or the relevant product as of the moment. Okay, so I think the sunglasses. Okay, so when you open this product, you have the product price, the product description, as well as the images of the product. Okay, so after that, of course, you just have to get the relevant images of the product. And if you would like to include a video or videos, then you can download the videos as well. And then if you would like to use extension, then you can use different extension to your web browser to download the relevant information of that specific product automatically. But for this one, I'm just going to, manually download everything. Okay, so assuming that we already download everything, so right here on the Canva, I have here an illustration for us to understand the concept of the drop shipping from AliExpress to our Shopee store. Now let's go back to AliExpress and then try to download some of the images. Okay, so let me just try to download this one. Okay, so you just have to save this files as PNG or JPG. Okay, so just have to manually download one by one. But if you would like to use an extension, then you can just do that. Just have to search for an extension. But for this video, I am not going to show that since I'm going to download the images one by one. Okay, and then we just have to take note of the price as well as the description of the products. And then if you would like to include important details, then you can do that as well. So after copying the details of the product, you can open your notepad and then we are going to paste here the product description or the product details because we are going to use that later on. Okay, so let me just paste this one as well. And then let's just minimize this window. Okay, we also have here the customers reviews if you want to include that. So right here, let us open our Shopee store and then you just have to go to the seller center. If you don't have an account yet, then you just have to create one. So as of the moment, I'm just using my dummy account. So you just have to start the registration. So since this is just a dummy account, so I can fill out all of the needed information, your shop information, business information, and then you just have to submit. So of course, for the business information, it is very important that you are going to fill out the truth because Shopee will not going to grant you your store. Okay, so assuming that we already have our store, so here on my Canva, so this is the concept of the drop shipping. Okay, so right here, so this is your customer, your Shopee store, and then the AliExpress. So you just have to make sure that you have created your Shopee account store. Then let's go back here on Canva. So right here, this is you and then this is your store. So assuming that all of the products, you are uploading it in your Shopee store. And then once the customer see your product, and then they're going to purchase it. And then of course, once they order your product, they're going to give you their information, their address, their billing information, of course, and then the payment. Then what you're going to do as a seller, that is why we have to do it manually, because we are going to get the product from AliExpress and deliver it to our customer. So what you're going to do is, once a customer buy your product to your store, then you just have to get their billing information, and then you will be the one who's going to order on AliExpress, and then you just have to fill out the delivery section using the billing information of your customers, so that the order will arrive to their location. But of course, you have to message your customer first once they order in your store, and you have to tell them that the product is originally from AliExpress, so that you can maintain the integrity of your store. So you just have to be honest, so that your customer will not going to report you on Shopee, okay? Because that would be the cause of the closing of your store, or your store will shut down. Okay, so all you have to do is to tell them honestly. You can message them, or you can also put in the description that this product is originally from AliExpress. Okay, and then you can also note there that you are just a drop shipper. Okay, so to make it transparent, so all you have to do is that. That is why this is a manual drop shipping, because we don't have any other choice. We just have to get the billing information of our customers, and then of course the payment, so that when they cancel, when they cancel, you'll be the one who's going to cancel on AliExpress, and then you just have to return the money if it's not cash on delivery. So you just have to do the same. You just have to go back to AliExpress, and then you just have to look for a specific product. Then you just have to download the important information of that product, including the videos, the relevant images of the product, the details, and then of course the price of the product, and then you just have to display it in your store. Okay, so you just have to do the same. Then make sure that all of the information of the product that you're selling on your Shopee store are all correct. Okay, so you just have to raise the price a little bit. So for example, this is about maybe $3, so you're going to sell it for about $5 or $6. So you have to be cautious with your pricing, because your customers are going to see it once they receive the product. So that is why it is very important to communicate with them before the product arrive, or before you fulfilled the order. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.